We got another giant mahi on right now, guys. We're trying to get him up. He is bulldogging. This thing's a giant. We saw him jump 3-4 times. He's huge. He will not come up. Look, we can't even, 50 wide. We can't even crank on him. He's just dogging us. Get him. Got him?
Let him down.
Second gaff. Second gaff, over here.
Get off his head. In the boat. In the boat. Holy shit.
That's fucking 50 pounds all day, boys. That's bigger than 50.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
That is... Colby, look at this bad boy. This is our 50 mahi right here.